We're here on the Mickey Thompson Devil's Marbles with one of the neatly prepared Suzuki Sierras. These guys are trying something a little bit different. They are looking for a bit of a bonus, climbing a log up onto the top of this pointy rock. If they get up on top, they will score the bonus points. Slipped off the log, but they've still got the rock there. Right, they're going to realign, have another crack at it. Sliding up the log, using the differential housing now to get that wheel up on top, and they've actually got a much better line. Rear stuck now. Right, these guys have now wasted a fair bit of time looking for that bonus line, got themselves into a bit of a difficult situation, but they're pushing some rocks, they're moving through, they are making forward progress. Everyone on the sidelines got plenty of advice. All right, Team 47 is progressing well. Coming down to this tight little pinch, but the Suzuki wheelbase should be nice and neat through here. Coming up onto this rock to climb out now. Oh, nice drive. That is sensational. Oh, yeah. Carries it through nicely. Takes a little bit of bunting. A few penalties there. Oh, damn. Time has just been called. These guys were just a few centimetres from the exit gate. What a shame.